Welcome to Engineering Mechanics. Professor Dr. M. Subramanian with you. Dynamics of particle. Kinetics of the particle. Newton's second law. Example problem number 3. The 50 kg grate is stationary when the force P is applied. Determine the resulting acceleration of the grate if P equal to 0, P equal to 150 Newton and P equal to 300 Newton. Pause the video and write down the problem and draw a phase diagram also. First step, we have to draw a free body diagram. The block is lying on inclined surface. The block weight is 50 kg. Due to the 50 kg, the force is acting downward direction, that is M and into G, 50 into 9.81. Then reaction force is acting normal to the inclined plane, that is N. Then the friction force acting between the block and inclined surface, that is F, coefficient of friction into reaction force. The B will be indicate the external force acting on the block. Then the inclination angle is 30 degree. The force is, we have to draw a inclined axis is the inclined horizontal axis x and y axis. The weight force will be, we have to resolve in a two component. One is vertical component, that is mg cos 15 degree. Horizontal component is mg sin 15 degree. From the free body diagram, we have to note down the given data. This problem is, we consider as a kinetics of the particle. By using a Newton's second law, we can solve this problem. The given data is, mass is given 50 kg, then coefficient of static friction is given, that is 0.2, then kinetic friction is given, that is 0.15. Then theta is given 15 degree. The external force, three condition is given. First condition is 0, then 150, then 300 Newton. One by one we have to analysis to find the acceleration. First we consider the initial condition at external force 0. So first we have to verify the equilibrium at static condition. So equilibrium check. Under static, so summation of f of y equal to 0, summation of f of x equal to 0. So first, without considering the friction force, we have to apply these two formula for y axis and x axis. So first we have considered the y axis, that upward direction initial sign convention is positive. So summation of f of y equal to 0. So what are the force acting in y direction? One is reaction force acting in upward, that is N. Then what is that another force? This due to its weight of the block, it is downward direction, that is mg cos 15 degree. Equal to 0. From that we can calculate the reaction force. Reaction force is 50 into 9.81 into cos 15 degree. That is 473.7. So 474 Newton. This M is 50 kg. This is 9.81. Then apply the equilibrium condition at x direction. The x direction is the external force is acting, that is in positive directions, that is we consider initial from left to right is consider positive, that is summation of f of x equal to 0. Then the external force B, then force we consider the only what is the force acting F. Then x direction, the due to the weight it will be a downward direction, that is minus mg sine 15 degree equal to 0. From that we can calculate this external force, our condition is initially 0. So F equal to m is 50 into 9.81 into sine 15 degree. So use your calculator. 50 into 9.81 into sine 15 degree. So 127. Next verify the block is under the acceleration motion or not. We have to verify by using a friction force. The friction force is first we consider the static friction force. F max is static friction coefficient into reaction force, that is friction force is coefficient is 0.2 into reaction force 474 0.2 into 474, so 94.8 Newton as per the condition. So F max is less than the F, that is so 94.8, then less than F 127 Newton. So based on this condition, the block is movement inclined direction. So next we have to apply the motion of the equation in x direction. Equation of, write down the equation of motion, that is summation of f of x equal to mass into acceleration into x direction. Then considering the kinetic F equal to kinetic friction mu k into n. Now from the free body diagram form a governing equation for along the x direction. The x direction, that is in positive direction 1, that is friction coefficient mu k, then n, that is another force. So one more force will be have, that is P, this is 0. Then another force is negative force minus mg sine 15 degree. equal to mass is 50, then acceleration ax. Then ax we have to calculate. That is 0.15 into reaction force is 474 minus 50 into 9.81 into sin 15 degree divided by 50. Using calculator, the reaction force we can get the value is minus 1.117 meter per second square. Next, continue the same procedure for other two cases. The next case is external forces. So 150. So first we have to check the equilibrium condition, that f of summation of f of y equal to 0, summation of f of x equal to 0. From that we have to determine the reaction force for same for all the two cases. So we have to apply the x direction only. Repeat the same procedure in x direction. Summation of f of x equal to 0. What are the force acting along x direction? One is external force, that is 150 plus f additional that force under the static condition. Then another force will be acting in x direction, mg sin 15 degree equal to 0. From that f equal to minus 150 plus 50 into 9.81 sin 15 degree. From that minus 150 plus 50 into 9.81 into sin 15 degree. We got minus 23.04 meter. Next, verify that block is moving or not by using a frictional force. First, considering the static force F max. That is 0.2 into reaction force is 474. So same earlier value 0.2 into 474, 94.8. So come verify this. This F max frictional force is greater than the force. It is 94. That is F is 23. Based on this condition, so no motion is, the frictional forces prevent the motion of the block. So as per the condition, no motion. So based on this, acceleration is 0 based on this second entity. The third case, external force is acting on the block is P equal to 300 Newton. This same procedure you have to step by step procedure you have to apply, but up to this same procedure, check the equilibrium. So summation of f of y equal to 0, summation of f of x equal to 0. So reaction force from the y direction, we calculate the reaction force 474 Newton. Only you have to write down the x direction. If summation of f of x equal to 0, in x direction the external force is acting in 300, then plus f, then in x direction minus mg sin 15 degree equal to 0. From that we have to calculate the force, that is minus 300 plus 50 into 9.81 into sin 15 degree. So the force is minus 300 plus 50 into 9.81 into sin 15 degree. So the force is minus 173.04 Newton. The static friction is, we have to verify that 0.2 into 474 reaction force, that is first max is friction, static friction coefficient into reaction force. So that is 94.8 Newton. Then that F max frictional force less than the force. So that is 94.8 less than the 173. So based on this condition, the block is moving in due to the external load. It moving, the motion is started. So apply that. The force is now, the frictional force is kinetic friction coefficient and reaction force. So based on this, now write down the equation of the motion along the x direction. So the summation of f of x equal to mass into acceleration in x direction. So in x direction, the force, external force is acting 300. Then the block is moving in upward direction. It is accelerating from left to right. So the frictional force is acting opposite direction. So minus mu coefficient of friction is kinetic friction into n. Then another force is acting in downward direction, that is minus mg sin 15 degree equal to 50 into acceleration in x direction. From that, rewriting this equation, ax, this 300 minus kinetic friction is 0.15 into reaction force is force 474, then minus 50 into 9.81 to sine 15 degree divided by 50. From that, using your calculator, determine the acceleration. Open the bracket. So 300 minus 0.15 into 474 minus 50 into 9.81 into sine 15 degree 50. So we got 2.04 meter per second square. That is 2.04 meter per second square. Summary of the step. First we have to draw the free body diagram. From the free body diagram, write down the input data. Then what is the condition is given. The three cases we have to analyze the problem. First, external force 0, 150 and 300 Newton. First verify the equilibrium at static condition. The block is moving or not. Then first condition is the block is moving in inclined surface in downward direction. Then second condition, 150, the body is at rest, no movement. The 300 Newton, the body is moving in upward direction in inclined surface. The based on this we calculate the second case, no acceleration. Then third case is 2.04 meter per second square. Thank you for watching my video.